And I think the most amazing thing that Vishal sir could have done with his adaptation of Hamlet.
Are you ready? So, tell us, how does it feel being part of these guys? Actually, before they start, I'm going to show you their real power. Guys, like we trained, 1, 2, 3. How does it feel being part of Umang 2014?
Hello, hello, hello. आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को? I can't hear you. आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को? Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so amazing. It's really fantastic. I love you guys. 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 I think I should hand the mic over to Vishal sir, and he should introduce Heather to all these people. So Vishal sir, ladies and gentlemen.
मेरे पास भी अपना माइक है, मेरी आवाज़ भी शायद आप लोगों को आ रही होगी। ये है हमारे हैदर, ये है हमारी ओफिलिया।
What's up, people?
So, we've seen the trailer and it's a very intense film. What we're going to show the audience now is the making of Heather, because I think a lot of effort has gone into it. So can we have the making of Heather? And I need the audience to keep going crazy, make some noise.
I wanted to choose actually Miti Bhai. So that was actually idea to place the film in. So I think next film I am going to place in Miti Bhai.
So, आप दोनों को, when you were shooting in Kashmir, it's a very volatile place. So, did you get scared at any point? You know, कुछ भी हो सकता है वहाँ पे.
You know, I did all of my whatever part of college that I did. I did right next door in Miti Bhai, and I think that was quite a volatile place, wasn't it? Did you guys think so? Weren't we very disruptive in nature? सब सो गए हैं यार, सब NM के हैं यहाँ पे क्या? And I also heard that NM is leading in points in this contest. Is that true? Super, man. So yes, Kashmir is, to begin with, a huge part of our history. It is something which all of us have heard about so much. And I think the most amazing thing that Vishal sir could have done with his adaptation of Hamlet was to place it against that kind of a backdrop. Essentially, Hamlet is it's a film about betrayal. It's a film about family, and we're calling it a family revenge drama. So to place it against the background like that, I think it was pretty phenomenal. Honestly, मैंने भी Hamlet स्कूल में पढ़ी होगी और उसके कुछ versions देखे हैं. Today it feels very boring, but I think Vishal sir's take on it, his adaptation of it, is so contemporary, it's so different, and it's so relevant for all of us. And I really want to say this because, you know, I was doing some interviews yesterday, and some of the journalists asked me, they said, you know, Shahid, you're doing a film like this, do you think the audience will understand it? And I just said one thing. No, I really want to share this with you guys. I said one thing, I said, I don't know about the audience, but I know the youth is ready for something new. And I'm tired of seeing the same stuff over and over again. So this is our attempt to give you something different, and we really hope that you like it.
Guys, are you guys going to go and watch Heather? So we really hope that you like Vishal sir's adaptation of Hamlet, and we really hope that you like watching Heather and me, Arshia, in it. And enjoy the whole journey with us, and take all your friends and go and watch it.
So let me ask you, Shraddha. We saw you as this very bubbly girl in Ek Villain. Then we saw you as a very intense, this thing. You know, now you're coming in a very intense role. Which role do you prefer? You know, the intense or the very bubbly girl?